easy, tasty, restaurant style mixed vegetable sabzi. Let's see how to make it. Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. I've heated oil here. Add cumin seeds, dry red chillies, ginger, green chillies, garlic chopped finely. Give it a good mix. Add some onions and let the onions change into golden brown color. Here I am adding some sweet potatoes, but you can also add regular potatoes instead. Some carrots, beans, green peas or matar and cauliflower. Here is an important tip: cook the vegetables stirring often on a high flame for at least 4 minutes. This makes the vegetables crisp. After 4 minutes, here I am covering and cooking it on a very low flame. Another tip is, while cooking dry vegetables, do not add any water. This 4 to 5 minutes, the vegetables are almost cooked. And I'm adding spices like turmeric powder, red chili powder, kasuri methi, dhania powder or coriander powder, amchur powder, garam masala, salt. I've added the spices only after the vegetables are almost cooked. This way, the spices will stick to the vegetables and get absorbed very well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame and switch it off. Hope you enjoyed this video.